5 foods to warm your body and how to make them when the weather turns chilly. There's nothing better than warming up with a comforting dish. Certain foods provide not just nourishment, but a sense of warmth that's perfect for cold days. Here are 5 delicious dishes that will warm your body and instructions on how to make each one. First, we have classic chicken noodle soup. You can't go wrong with chicken noodle soup. It is the ultimate comfort food, packed with nutrients and warmth. Ingredients: 1 pound chicken breast or thighs, 8 cups of chicken broth, 2 sliced carrots, 2 chopped celery stalks, 1 diced onion, and 2 cups of egg noodles, salt, pepper, and thyme to taste. Instructions: boil the chicken in the broth until fully cooked, then shred. In the same pot, sauté carrots, celery, and onion until tender. Add shredded chicken, seasonings, and noodles. Simmer until noodles are cooked. Serve and enjoy. Next up, spicy chili. This combination of beans, meat, and spices, chili, creates a hearty meal that warms from the inside out. Ingredients: 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: brown the meat in a large pot, then set aside. In the same pot, sauté onion and garlic until fragrant. Then, add the meat, beans, tomatoes, and spices. Finally, simmer for 30 minutes, serve and enjoy. Our third recipe, creamy butternut squash soup. This velvety soup is both satisfying and easy to prepare. Ingredients: 1 butternut squash, peeled and cubed, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 cup of heavy cream, salt, pepper, and nutmeg to taste. Instructions: sauté onion and garlic in a pot until softened. Add the squash and broth, then simmer until squash is tender. Blend the soup until smooth. Stir in the cream and season. Let stand for 5 minutes, and then serve and enjoy. Our fourth recipe, delicious beef stew. This hearty dish full of tender meat and vegetables, beef stew, is the perfect meal for a cold night. Ingredients: 1 pound of beef stew meat, 4 cups of beef broth, 3 cubed potatoes, 2 sliced carrots, 2 chopped celery stalks, 1 diced onion, and 1 tablespoon of flour for thickening. Instructions: first, brown the beef in a large pot, then remove. Next, sauté onion, carrots, and celery in the same pot. Then, return the beef to the pot, add broth and potatoes, and simmer for 2 hours. For a thicker stew, whisk in flour dissolved in water during the last 30 minutes. Recipe number 5, warm apple crisp. End your meal with a comforting dessert that combines tart apples and a sweet crumble topping. Ingredients: 4 peeled and sliced apples, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of oats, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of softened butter. Instructions: first, preheat oven to 350 degrees. Then, toss apples with sugar and cinnamon and place in a baking dish. Mix oats, brown sugar, and butter to create the topping, then sprinkle over the apples. Finally, bake for 30 minutes, or until the topping is golden and the apples are tender. These 5 dishes are easy to prepare and guaranteed to warm your body and spirit. Try one or all to make your next cold day cozy and delicious.